Medical terminology 0042, vitamin B12. And the CPT code for this is 82607. And you know that this is a lab because it starts with 8, right? So we know that already. So 82607 is the CPT code for this lab for vitamin 12, right? So we are going to do first, we're going to practice the pronunciation of the main terms. And it starts like this: vitamin B12, water soluble, DNA material, B12 deficiency, fatigue, anemia, hemoglobin, oxygen, pallor, hydrochloric acid, proteins, intrinsic factor, IF, microgram, lactating women. All right. Now, we're going to do a little quiz. Vitamin B, B what?
Vitamin B12.
B12, right. Capable of dissolving in water. And this is a two-word phrase separated by a hyphen. Capable of dissolving in water. And water is in lowercase, which means that you just have to use that word in the answer. So what's the answer?
Water soluble.
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 Soluble, right? Deoxyribonucleic acid material, that's a two-word, D and M. And material is in lowercase, so you know you have to use that word. So what is it?
DNA material.
DNA material, good. B12D. What are we studying here? B12?
B12 deficiency.
Deficiency means the lack of B12, right? That's what the doctor wants to know. If your body is lacking in B12, that's what he sends you to the lab. And that's what we have to code. Okay, exhaustion, tiredness, starts with F.
Fatigue.
Fatigue. No blood.
Anemia.
Which is the etymologic interpretation of it, right? We know that it's because there's not enough red blood cells, but etymologically it means no blood. An is no, and emia is blood. Okay, blood or agent?
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin, good. Sharp, produce. This is the etymology too.
Oxygen.
All right, oxygen. Unhealthy, pale appearance, starts with a P.
Pallor.
Pallor, pallor. The accent is in the first one, pallor. Okay? Water or green pertaining to acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
That's right. Nutrients starts with a P.
Proteins.
Proteins. Glycoprotein produced but by parietal cells of stomach. Is a two-word, IF.
Intrinsic
factor,
factor,
right? And now we have the acronym for intrinsic factor.
IF.
A millionth of a gram. If you take a gram and you divide it in a million parts, what is each part of this called?
Microgram.
Microgram, right? In 1,000 would be milligram, but in a million is microgram. Lactation pertaining to women.
Lactating women.
Lactating women. All right. So that is our word study for this code. And don't forget that you can find the video going to our webpage and then to the column on the left and then clicking in CPT compacts, and then you'll get this spreadsheet, the Google spreadsheet, and then you can locate it by the CPT code. The first column is CPT code. So this is the code, right? This is vitamin 12, which are the key words. And the video is always the first one in our list. There's other videos, but the first one is the one that we take the terminology from, because it is maybe the best one for this purpose. And we can see a little bit of it. If you can just play it a little bit, just play it a little bit, so it'll show them. There you see the lady, she's talking about vitamin B12 deficiency. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and you can also subscribe to our videos by clicking here, and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that studying to pass the medical coding certification exam.
So don't forget to visit our website and to subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.